Kids, do you want to build with me?
Wreck it. Look at that. Look at that. Nice.
Welcome to JackJackPlays.
What do you got today, Jack?
I got a demolition site.
A demolition site? What's in the demolition site?
Lego.
Legos. And what kind of trucks are there?
A dump truck. A wrecking ball crane.
And what's the one in the middle?
A backhoe.
A backhoe. And what's this on top of the box, Jack? What is that?
It's a flatbed truck to carry the backhoe.
Nice. Are you ready to unbox this thing?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Rip into it, Jack.
We need scissors.
What are you doing there, construction worker Jack? What's in your hand?
A saw.
Is that a scissors? No. Let's get a real scissors. Okay, Daddy's got his scissors, and kids, you can look at the back really quick. That is some cool stuff we're about to build. Okay, scissors time. Jack's saw didn't go all the way through. I got it open, Jack. Dump it out. Whoa, there's a whole bunch of packages. Show the kids what came out of the box.
We got Legos.
Yeah, okay, there's a chassis, and there's the hopper for the dump truck, and there are 3 bags. Let's build.
And we're gonna do this one first.
Okay.
Let's do a time lapse.
Okay, now wreck that wall. Nice. Wreck it. Sweet.
I want to build the backhoe now.
Let's do it.
I think this is gonna be not hard.
Nope, probably not. What are you doing with this backhoe craney thing? It lifts up that house. That's pretty cool, Jack.
And then it lays it down.
Oh, that's so nice.
Like that. Kids, I'm going to show you how this this flatbed truck works.
All right. Are you gonna drive that backhoe onto the flatbed?
Yeah.
All right. Wow, that's a pretty small flatbed to carry that thing. Does it work? You better put the back up so it doesn't fall off. Oh, Jack is so careful about this. He doesn't even have anything to say, do you?
Yeah. It's gonna drive on to the... So I have to connect this onto here to make the city.
Oh, nice.
Parking lot. It's attached to here.
All right, Jack's gonna get that on there, and it's time to build the next thing. Jack, what do we build?
The dump truck.
And how does it work? Oh, sweet. Let's try it again. Put them in. Whoa, that was a good dump. What are you gonna show us now, Jack?
The backhoe, how it goes onto here.
All right, look, we got all these trucks out. Are we gonna play with these now?
Yeah, after I transport this to that site.
Okay, yeah, we'll put everything out in the middle. Jack, what are we doing?
We're doing demolition, but first I have to make the sign stander.
Oh, that's the sign stander?
Yeah, this is the sign stander.
Cool.
This is the sign.
Jack, can you show us all the stuff you've got? Wow.
And then this flatbed truck.
Yeah, that didn't come with it. That's a Jack special. And what else do we got? Oh, drive him over there, Jack. Drive him over. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, he crashed into the wall. Jack's got to fix the brick wall. There it goes. And what are you going to do to that brick? Oh, you got more bricks to put in there, or those go in the dump truck. But you could build them on there.
I can build them.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going to just set them around? Yeah. They could be demolished at the demolition site. Oh, smooth. Okay, Jack, tell us what you're doing. You've got it all together?
Yeah.
Okay, what's happening now?
The truck is gonna come to the side.
All right, tell the kids what you're doing.
I'm unloading the truck.
All right.
You have to move these out of the way so I can I have to dump these into the dump truck.
Uh-oh, I think I heard a wall go over. It's okay.
That was just dynamite.
Oh, a dynamite explosion happened. Explosion.
Now we have a bigger pile.
All right. What are you doing with those bad boys? Oh, you're gonna do some scooping? What are you doing, Jack?
I broke up some wall.
Nice.
Broke up the wall. The wall.
Look at that, kids. Look at that wall. Oh, that was the brick wall. And is it gonna go into here? I think it is, kids. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. What's next?
This brick.
Nice. All right, kids, we're gonna keep doing some demolition. Jack, is there anything you want to tell the kids?
Bye, kids. Don't forget to get a like and subscribe.
That's right, subscribe to Jack Plays. Bye, everybody.